Hey, there's steam trains there again. We are, look, we're in historic Pensacola.
Here too.
Yeah, whatever that is. Okay, we're fighting off the squirrels that are all over this to find this. This is the Museum of Industry in downtown.
Historic Pensacola.
Historic Pensacola. There's a lot of little museums here. We're going to try to get into this place. I don't know what the deal is, but they have the train located, and you see it's outside on the street again. But this is a 1902. It's a 242T. It's a Baldwin. It's a 1904 Baldwin. 1904. It's a 242T. So it's got a little tank on the back. And see, there's plaques and stuff you can read right there. So I kind of want to get over there. It almost looks like you have cab access over here. So we'll come around so you get a better look at it. See, it's right. It's just they're getting set up for a parade here, but it's right over here. $242. Yeah, a little tank on the back. Okay. It's obviously T.R. Miller, the logging company. So there's that, and there's a L&N caboose back there. And we're gonna see if maybe we can get in there. And the sky is angry again, my friends.
It's not as angry as it was before.
Yeah, but we're on the Gulf, so that's to be expected. But we are going to try to get in there. There's people back over there doing a tour, so we're going to try to get in so we can see it from the other side and maybe get some close-up shots. If not, I guess that'll be it, and there'll be pictures at the end. All right, here we are on the other side. We actually bought tickets to come into the museums. It's like $12 and you can get in all these museums and tours and everything. So we came over here and we're on the other side after fighting off all the squirrels. So can't get too close to it. And you take better pictures on the other side, but there, we're out on the street a minute ago. There that is. Baldwin, builder number 24404, 1904, delivered by rail. See it all right there. I don't see a bowler plate. I wonder if they got that inside somewhere. This is the Museum of Industry building. Is that a saddle tank on it? It does look like a saddle tank too, don't it? Okay. It's a 242. You can get this far into the cab. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The gauge is gone. I don't see the sight glass either. But cool, that's as far as you can walk in. So, to number 12. It was a lumber train, T.R. Miller Lumber Company, I believe, in southern Alabama. I think it's the same one that was in Troy. The trains in Troy. I think we've come across a couple of T.R. Millers. And I'm going to come down here. Caboose that you can't get into. At least I don't think so. No, it's chained off. But this is the end of the pavilion right here. I guess we could have just walked around the corner. But the place, we got tickets right over there. And you get to get into all these museums. And the ticket's good for like 7 days, so that's a bonus. So we'll probably come poke around here tomorrow as well. And that should do it for here. I took some pictures on the inside. I'll take some out here and put them at the end. Thanks, guys.